Whew, okay, finally, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is finally here. Man, I feel like I am the last person to receive their S24 Ultra. Just looking on social media these past few days or even this past week, it seems like everybody has gotten their device already and has just been enjoying their time while I've just kind of been sitting back waiting for mine. Well, it is finally here in house. I'm ready to unbox it, give you guys my first impressions on this device, maybe do a quick little comparison with the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but I am tired of waiting. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I did get the titanium variant with 512 gigabytes of storage. And just looking at the box alone, I mean, it feels like these boxes get skinnier and skinnier every single year. But they did make one change to the front. Now they added a shadow in back of the little picture of the phone here. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So it looks like we have the pull tabs right here. Boom, one at the top and then another, boom, right there at the bottom. All right, let's go ahead and do this. And this has got to be the best part of the unboxing because there's really nothing else in the box. Let me put the phone down real quick. On the top part of the box, we get this little, what do you call this? I don't know, this little cardboard box with more stuff, the pamphlets and all that stuff and stuff. We don't even need that. This is what we are here for. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra in this titanium, and oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Oh man, just look at how beautiful this hold on, let me get this sticker off of there. There we go. Just look at how beautiful this titanium color is right here. I'm so glad I went with this choice right here. Look at how premium that looks. Super, super nice. And then of course we got that titanium finish around the sides as well, where the volume rockers are. Down at the bottom, we got the sticker right here. We'll pull that off in a second. Down at the bottom, over here to the left side, and up at the top as well. And then of course, everyone's favorite part. Here we go, here we go. Woo! And there is that display. Now I'm really curious. Let's see. I have it towards the ring light. Now, yes, you could see the ring light on there, but this is supposed to be that anti-reflective. Well, okay, so even with the screen off, you can definitely tell a huge difference between this and the Galaxy S23 Ultra right here. It definitely looks more dark, more black, even with the screen off. But let me go ahead and power it on. And then let's see what the difference is, if there's any huge difference once the phone is on. I don't think my phone has any juice. Okay, there we go. Man, that took a while, but this display looks beautiful. Finally getting a flat display, but me personally, honestly, I didn't really have any issues with the curved edges on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. I actually like the curved edges because it wasn't too much. It was just slightly curved on the edge and it made it feel good in hand. But this, compared to the Galaxy S23 Ultra, I guess, I would say that the S23 Ultra is a little bit easier to hold in hand because of the more curved edge. But I mean, honestly, there's really not that big of a difference. I mean, and just looking at the back, I mean, if you held these both side by side and gave them to someone who didn't know what phone these were, then they'd probably think they were both the same exact phone. I mean, they look very, very similar from front to back. Obviously, of course, the only difference is we have that flat display now with the Galaxy S24 Ultra right here, completely flat. But one thing that I do notice is right here on the edges, or the framing, I should say, on each side, that this is curved. So it's not a sharp, flat finish. It's nice and curved, so it does make it feel pretty good in the hands, but of course it does have that boxy feel as well. Now let's put this towards the ring light and see if it's still easy to see. Okay, so yeah, I mean, obviously you can still see the ring light, but it's not crazy. I mean, look you're still able to see what's on the screen right now. And my goodness, this looks beautiful. The bezels all the way around look completely even from the bottom to the top to the sides. Of course, we get that S Pen. Let's see, what color is the S Pen? Ooh, the S Pen is that nice titanium color. It looks more of a gray color, to be honest. It's more of a gray color. It doesn't, I mean, yeah, it looks more gray than the actual titanium of the phone itself. So if you're getting a titanium color, don't expect the S Pen to look exactly like the phone itself. As you can see right there, it doesn't shimmer like that titanium does in the back, but it is just super nice. Even the bottom, it just looks so much more refined than with the Galaxy, you know, S23 Ultra. Maybe that's because it's not a glossy finish. It's more of a matte finish, just looking really, really nice. But I mean, I am excited to start using this. Like I said, this was just supposed to be a quick unboxing and first impressions. And so far, just when it comes to overall design and looks, yes, I am definitely impressed. Even though it does resemble the Galaxy S23 Ultra a lot, it just feels more refined. I feel like I say this every single year. You know, when it came to the S22 Ultra comparing it to the S23 Ultra, this was a more refined S22 Ultra. Well, this is now a more refined S23 Ultra. And I'm perfectly fine with that. You know, as long as they're not doing anything drastic to where it's gonna make the phone worse, I'm perfectly fine with that. I mean, it feels great in the hand. Honestly, it doesn't even feel too heavy. It doesn't feel much heavier. Let's see, does it feel much heavier than the S23? Honestly, they feel kind of the same. So it's not too heavy, still pretty light. Feels super nice with this matte finish all the way around the edges. The back's got that nice frosted finish in the back. It's just super, super nice. I am loving this titanium color right here. One more look at that. Look at how beautiful that looks. But I am super excited. I got tons of content coming with the S24 Ultra right here. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button because you're not gonna wanna miss out on any of the future content that I have coming with the S24 Ultra right here. Really excited to put it up against not only the S23 Ultra, but the OnePlus 12 as well, which I have been reviewing, you know, this past couple weeks now. I've been enjoying that device. So I'm really curious to see how they are going to compare to each other. I'll have a video on that soon as well. So like I said, if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I got tons of videos coming. But if you did like this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on that future content that I got coming here on the channel. Thanks so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.